Hi, good evening. Welcome. And today's session is about writing a professional resume. And first of all, while writing a resume, think that just jot it down. Like what are all the things you have done. Just make a research about yourself, and what are all the things you're going to jot it down in the resume. And while writing a professional resume, think about the professional things you have done, like online courses, internships you have gone, IPT details, the papers you have published and projects you have done, all the things. So keep this in mind first. So then we shall start writing the resume. So the font size of your resume should be 11, and it can be bigger than that, and see to it fits one page, not more than that. And if you have a lot many things to be jotted down, and it can go up to 2 pages, because no HR is going to look at it maximum of 6 seconds. So keep it in mind, and write as much about the industrial thing that you have undergone through your academics. And first of all, just jot down all the things in a paper first, write it down, and then start writing the resume. So initially, just write all the experience of yours in a chronicle order, and you can include an official photograph, not an a picture taken in a beach resort and all. You just put an official photograph in your resume, but it is not mandatory, so it could be there. And you can include things like paper presented, published, and the mini projects you have done, the projects, the internships, and about the projects you have done there and during your internship, and the IPT details. And you can add your system discovery and analysis into it, and you can write about your industrial visits as well. And adding to it, like if you have any international exposure, like if you have undergone any student exchange program with some other international university, and you can add those details also. And adding to this, like you can add the languages, like if you know French and all, French, Germany and all, you can include it in your resume. It will give more weightage to it. And apart from this, see to it, like you have given all the information based on the company you are applying. For example, say if you are applying for a software company, so give more insights on those things, like how many software projects you have done and how many courses you have done on the particular thing, what the company expects and all. So based on that, you need to modify your resume. And keep in mind that you need to update your resume all the time. So whenever you do your course, or you're doing a project, just update into it, and it should be an updated resume always. So, and at last, save your resume using .pdf extension. I hope you all know that. So save your file in a PDF format and share in a PDF format always. Thank you guys. Jobs don't go to the best candidate, they go to the best communicator. So having a clear and concise resume, it will lead you to success. Thanks for the day. Good day. Bye.